Hi, time for some riding. It was quite a long time since I did a video when I was actually out riding. And I do that sometimes, but yeah, been a lot of work here in the office. But in this video, I'm gonna try something new that I haven't tried before. And it's actually my friend Henrik Ram, who's been racing the Dakar Rally, who suggested this setup. What I'm gonna do is use a phone. I bought this one, Armor X, which is a quite cheap phone actually, with good battery life. So it's just a normal phone where I've installed a SIM card. We're gonna install a SIM card, and it comes with like protection and everything, screen protection, and as I said, it has a good battery lifetime. So this one I'm gonna install on my bike, and on the phone I have installed a GPS app called GAIA, and in GAIA you have terrain maps, so I can basically see like all the terrains we have out here in Sweden, or actually all over the world. With that app, I'm gonna install it on my bike, and I have an idea to use this kind of armrest band to install it there and use the app for navigation. And my plan now is to do a 100-kilometer long route that I plan in my computer before going out. So I can sit by the computer, do all the planning of my route, and then I can start and navigate after that route. I can also record routes on this the GAIA app, so I can see where I've been riding before. And I'm gonna record all, like this run that I'm gonna do now. And I think it's a really convenient app to use, or a setup to use when you're out like doing longer rides or doing hikes, as we call it in Swedish. I'm gonna bring this to Spain also, like up in the mountains, so I can see where I've been going before. And it's good to have it installed, because then I can really use it as a navigation tool. And this phone is like really unbreakable, and as I mentioned, it's quite cheap. They have newer models, but I wanted to test and start with this one. So I'm gonna install that on my bike. I'm not 100% sure, but I want to have it here. And what I'm also gonna install, what I need to do, because I'm gonna go out, it's winter here in Sweden, so the sun goes down quite fast during the day. So I need to install some proper lights on my bike, and I use NIS-LED that I've been using for a while now. And to be able to install it on my bike, I need to install this cable that goes from the battery. So I have a switch up here, I can turn it off and on. And then it's just install it on the bike. And then also I have these ones, proper helmet lights that I'm gonna ride with. They're really light. So yeah, I mean the lights I've used before, so that's nothing new, but this setup is new. And yeah, so when like doing longer routes, as I said, I think it can be really good tool, so I can do longer routes and find new routes wherever I go, and I'm gonna bring it with me when I go abroad, and yeah, to help me to navigate, so I can explore with my bike. That's what I want to do. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do in this video. I'm gonna install it, and then I'm gonna go out, and I'm gonna bring a camera with me so you can see during this route how it's going. And I'm gonna go out and do this long route and see if the navigation will take me all the way around. So yeah, let's start installing it. Gör det. Jag vill gärna mickla lite. Här.
Vad ska du åka på, eller varför?
Ja, jag tänkte det också. Testa en liten grej.
Idag?
Ja. Jag har den här GPSen. Jag håller på att spela in en video där.
Okej. Men då gör vi jag ha mat.
Danke. So yeah, I mean the app, it's, yeah, you can find tutorials on YouTube how it works, but there's a few things I want to have. So I'm here now, and then I will continue the route for 10 kilometers that I've pre-done. So I'm just gonna hit record when I start, and then I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna follow the route and see if I plan it well. So yeah, let's install it. I'm gonna turn it around. And the reason why I want to have this, as I said, for the battery time, and then I don't want to use my iPhone for this. Close up. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. So yeah, this one is a little bit too long. Yeah, so I mean, now I just do like a little bit more simple installation just to see how everything is working, and then I'm probably gonna do more permanent installation. I bought another like holder for this one, but since I wanted it to be in this direction, I think my conclusion was that this was the best option. I also get some extra protection. The phone. Okay. Also, I assume, I never ride like with a GPS on a bike. I just assume that I want it a little bit more up like this. Okay, so there is the start. So I'm gonna mark with a pen. Okay. Because now it's quite good, but once you have gloves on you, it will be harder to find the buttons. Yeah, there it is. This one also is reflective. I hope it won't be a problem with the lights now. Let's try it. Just gonna put my clothes on, take the bike out, put some fuel in it. So put the fuel hose back after removing. Then we go out trying. What do you think? GPS, write in the comments. Hit the like button if you want more videos like this. Gonna take a GoPro with me. It's a little bit, I have a new mount to put on the chin so I can use the lights. But yeah. Just gonna put my clothes on and then we go out. Yeah, so I just came back. What a nice ride, and the GPS was awesome. New perspective to have when going out riding like this for a longer ride. And yeah, it was amazing. I didn't do 100 kilometers. I just did half of the route, because like where I came, I had to take a ferry, and then I haven't done that part before, so I never done this part either. But yeah, I had to take a ferry, so I skipped to go. It's quite cold. It's like -7-8 degrees outside, Celsius. Degrees, that's Fahrenheit, I think. Anyway, it was amazing. I really enjoyed it, and it was quite easy to find with the GPS. Once I got lost, I just like look where the route was going, so I went back and find the route very fast. So yeah, this is a good tool that I'm gonna start using more for sure. It was really nice to go out riding in the night, and of course be on the bike. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. With a simple tool like this, all you need is the phone and something to attach it to the bike, and also the GAIA app. If you like the video, you know what to do. Subscribe, stuff like that, and I do more videos. See you in the next one. Take care, guys.